Hi children. Okay, welcome. Today let's start the grammar part, subject and predicate. Okay, so your subject and predicate means, so those are both different in a sentence. So subject means, here the example, the girl rides a bicycle. So here the girl is a subject and rides a bicycle is predicate. Is clear? The subject means the girl rides a bicycle means predicate. The girl is the naming part of the subject of the sentences. Clear? And rides a bicycle is the action part of the predicate of the sentence. So action part remains, that is the predicate. The part naming word are the subject. So one more example here. The moon shines by night. The moon is subject and shines by night is predicate. Clear? The moon is naming word and the shines by is action done. So that's why is it, this is the predicate and this is the subject. So next, all sentences are made up of two parts, a subject part and a predicate part. The subject part of sentence names the people or things we are talking about. The subject usually comes at the beginning of a sentences. Clear? So the subject, it comes beginning of the sentence. We should say that subject, and the next part of the sentence is called predicate. The next part of the sentence is predicate. The subject of sentence naming people we are talking about. The subject usually comes the beginning of sentence. Okay. The predicate of sentence tells about something about the subject. The predicate usually comes after the subject. So here are the some examples. So divide the sentence as shown. They went home. So one has been done for you. They is a subject, went home is a predicate. The second one is the ant is tiny. The ant is a subject and is tiny is a predicate. The third one is the leopards run fast. Leopards is a subject and run fast is a predicate. And the fourth one is chemists sell medicines. Chemist is subject and sell medicine is a predicate. The fifth one is the hen laid an egg. The hen is a subject and laid an egg is a predicate. So the beginning of a sentence, that is we call subject, and the next part of the sentence is called predicate. The boy ran after the ball. The boy is a subject and ran after the ball is a predicate. The seventh one is the monkey eats bananas. The monkey subject and eats banana is the predicate. The eighth one is Ravi visited his friend. Ravi is a subject and visited his friend is a predicate. So clear what I am going to tell you. So, dividing the subject and predicate, the first part of the sentence is called subject, and the remains part of the sentence is called predicate. That is related with the subject. Predicate is related with the subject. So that is we call that subject and predicate. Clear? So next page, some predicate and subject examples are there here. Match the subject and the predicate to make meaningful sentences. The first one has been done for you. The first one has already has done for you. What is the first one? Plants. One F is there. Grow into trees. Okay. Plants grow into trees. The first one they have planned and go they will become trees. Vegetables. Vegetables. Um. Okay. Vegetables. What they will give us? Vegetables was encouraged by teacher is called Moti, helps us the bind lady cross, covered the windows. Ah yes, ear. E. Second one is E because are rich in vitamins and minerals. Okay. Ram and Rahim. Okay, what here is the Ram and Rahim are the best friends. Those are best friends. G. Next, the farmer. The farmer what is going milks the cows. The farmer is milks the cows. Next, colorful curtains. Okay, what the colorful curtains are doing? Cover the windows. D. Covered the windows. Next, the lazy boy. Where is the lazy boy? Okay, here is the lazy boy, I think. The lazy boy was encouraged by his teacher. Okay, next, the boy scout. Okay, here the scout boy. What he is doing helps us the blind lady to cross the road. See. Next, our pet dog is called Moti. Clear? Our pet dog called Moti. Next, rearrange the jumbled words from the sentences. Write yes for subject and P for predicate. The first one has been done for you. Already first one they are done. Patients treats Doctor A. Doctor treats patients. Should make correct jumbled sentence. By a owl's day sleep. Okay. Owls day by sleep. Owls sleep by day. Okay. Owls sleep by day. Is it clear? Here owls is a subject and this is a predicate. Clock is the tell time the. Okay. The clock tell us the time. The clock tell us the time. Tells. The clock is subject and this is a predicate. Lost. Be peep her little sheep. Okay. Bo Peep is the name of person. Lost her little sheep. Her little sheep. Here Bo Peep is the subject and this is predicate. Clear? Okay. We have to write and read in the next textbook. Thank you. Have a nice day.